Well, hey, Divi Nation, thanks again for joining us for our next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack from our design team straight to you. And this week we have for you a brand new golf course layout pack that you're going to love. This golf course layout pack has a striking design and is professionally groomed for marketing all of the products and services for a golf course, including tee times, memberships, lessons, events, and more. It even has a dedicated page for showcasing events, a page for showcasing all of your course information, and a pricing page. Now go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this new layout pack on your own website. Before you can start adding pre-made layouts using the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription. To do that, you'll need to go over to Divi, Theme Options, then click the Updates tab. There you can enter your username and API key and save your changes. Now you'll have access to all of the pre-made layouts included in the Divi Builder with no problem. Now you're ready to start adding all of your new pages with their corresponding pre-made layouts. To do that, go ahead and get started by creating a new page by going to Pages, Add New. Give your page a title and then click to use the Divi Builder. Then select Choose a Pre-Made Layout. From the Load from Library pop-up, scroll down and find the Golf Course Layout Pack and select it. There you'll see a preview of all of the different pages included in the layout pack. Go ahead and find the one you want and then click to use this layout. Once the layout loads onto the page, go ahead and publish it. Then you'll continue this same process to create all of your pages with their corresponding layouts. Once you're done, you're ready to create a primary menu for your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus. Give your menu a name, and then click Create Menu. On the left, you'll see a list of all of the pages that you've created. Go ahead and select all of them and then add them to the menu. Use the menu structure area to organize your menu items however you like, and then don't forget to set your display location to primary menu. Then save the menu. And for one last step, you want to add a static home page to your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your homepage displays, select a static page, and then for the home page, select your home page with your home page layout. Then click Save Changes. Now your website is up and running with the brand new Golf Course Layout Pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love this new layout pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you don't miss out on any future freebies we'll be throwing your way. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.